guys, I am Ayushi Patel, and in this video we see how to work with the map in Tableau. Maps are geographically representations of the data. Sometimes we used a pie chart tree in this map, where map used in Tableau. Maps used when we use geographically dimensions like we have to state, country, city, anything like that. That time we used in this map. It's made our data much beautiful manner and we can analyze easily. And in this video we used in Superstore US 2015. That database we will use in this video. You can download in this file or data in superdatascience.com/Tableau. Now open my Tableau session. Now my Tableau session is open here and I can connect to a text file, Microsoft Access, Microsoft Excel, PDF file and other data sources file. There are so many databases available in this video. I can connect to the text file in this video. Now click the file in the Tableau. Open here and this database will be used in this video and open here. Then pick up the order tab in this blank site and then my Excel sheet is open here. Then click on the sheet 1. It will give the empty Tableau workshop. We showing you this in this practical how to work state-wise profit. I can show you the help of maps. Then we use the map, all the states we give and all the cities are given. All the cities are given and we show the sales state and country wise all of the profits. So whenever you to represent the data geographically, always remember go for the maps in Tableau. To pick up the country in this blank worksheet. Then map of USA will be appear. Then state to the map is pick up this state and drop the details. Drop the details. So many circles will be appear and every circle represent the different states. If we want to the state-wise profit, so dropped into the color part, state-wise profit. So drop into the color part. These are the profits of all the cells. What do I understand to the color? So on the right hand side we can see the legenda is given this. It says the dark blue color means highest profit and yellowish color is the lowest profit. So dark blue color in this area is given here and lowest one in this here, yellowish color. But if not replacing the arrow, no name is given here. So don't know the name of the given area, so we can creating a map. You should know the names also. So if you want to know name of the cells, so pick up the states and put into the label. Pick up the states and put into the labels. Now you can see the region name is given like California, Iowa, North Carolina, like that. Now pick up the cells and dropped into the label. Pick up the cells and dropped into the label. So number of profit is given here. After analyzing the math, we can conclude that the most profitable state is California and lowest profit is North Carolina. In these much more easier and it can help you to analyze data in much more better manner. So whenever you the representation data geographically, always remember go for the map in Tableau. I hope you can understand with the help of this video. Thank you for watching.